YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy Mr. Mitos, back with another video. So check this out. I'm at another park, guys. I don't know, never been here before, but we're gonna give it a shot. It's about 10:30 in the morning, and gonna give it a run with this bad boy right here. So let me show you what I've done to it. So right off the rip, hopefully if it focus, I've raised the back body post. I've started to notice the shock tower starting to poke through the top of the body. So I had raised the body post in the rear. Also switched out the tires to the Badlands 2.8 belted, as well as switched the ESC to a 6S ESC. This came out of the Creighton EXB that I got. So I'm still running it on 4S, but I got a little bit more juice out of that ESC. Switch it out from the 120. I believe this is 150. I think there's a 150 ESC. Yeah, so we got a little bit more juice. I was feeling like it was losing power at some point after you ran it for a little while. It's like, felt like it was losing a little power, so I switched out the ESC. Eventually I'll get a smaller 6S battery, because the ones I have now are heavy as hell, and try to run this on 6S as well too, just to see how I run. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a run here, guys. Throw the GoPro on it, see how much footage I can get before we lose it to the heat, and then cut you guys back on when I'm done. Let you guys know that there is a giveaway coming, and so stay tuned to the end of the video to get how you can enter in to win this bad boy. This is brand new in the box. Box haven't been open. This is mine right here. So stay tuned to the end of the video. Probably shoot another video with this guy. I need a redemption video for this guy right here. So hopefully this grass can give that to me. And let's get it. All right, guys. All right, I found a tree with some shade. But this grass is like, it's like weeds and grass, so it's thick too. So I don't know how this, and it looked like it's damp. So, and birds out here feeding on it. So we gonna see. Right out the gate, let's go ahead. Let's do a 50% throttle run really quick. You know, I gotta start it off slow. Engage my hit this concrete and mess around and flip over. Yeah, see how thick that grass is? Yeah, it's extra thick. So let me bring it back. Get it out of the sun. Let's see what that was, guys. Let's see, stop. Hit that button, 25 miles an hour. All right, so let's reset it. Let's bump it up again. So this is pretty much track, start, reset. So this is pretty much, I'm getting the same numbers I did at the other park. This time, I think this is just this time of year that the grass that they use. Damn, it's kicking up all type of dirt. Let's pull into the to the right. right, a little bit more juice. Let's bring it back. It's out there, huh? That's full trigger. I can get past the tall grass. Yeah, it ain't moving. Ooh, we safe. This grass is killing it. It's probably super hot. Stop, read. 35 miles an hour. Again, same numbers. All right, let's try 100%. Tires holding up pretty good. But at the same time, you know, the grass is the the variable here, guys, because it's so tall. Damn. Let me just make sure my GoPro is still in there. I mean my GPS. Bring it back. I'm gonna do somersaults. Hold on. Yeah, it's still there. Damn. Yeah. Yeah, all these. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pull it off out here, guys. The grass is too wet. Let me keep pulling to the right. They just want to break loose. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get it up to speed out here on this grass. Right, it flipping over. It's not doing this mug any justice with this tall grass. That's my best run yet, right there. Yeah, you can just hear. You can hear how it's trying to cut. It's trying to cut through the grass, but it's having the hardest time. You guys probably can't even see this. I'm not gonna run my Grom out here, guys. This grass is too high. Yeah. Way too high. Here in the sun really quick. And just like that, guys, GoPro's down. I just stepped out in the sun maybe 30 seconds and it cooked it. So this is gonna be a short video. To be continued, guys. Still on the hunt for another part. with lower grass, you feel me, that I can run it. Or maybe some dirt, I don't know. I have no clue. But let's get back to the truck, talk about this giveaway. Let's get it. All right, folks, we done made it back to the bed of the truck. Here is the Valkyrie. Took some hits out there. I'm gonna get back to the crib and take a look at the video and see what's salvageable. I lost my GoPros twice, so I don't know what I was able to record. I like the tires. I didn't like the grass, and I didn't like the mud. So we have to find us another park to get to. So with that being said, the verdict is still out on this bad boy. If I can find a park that's the grass is low enough to where I can run this and actually get a decent speed run off-road with it, I'm still in pursuit of that, guys. So just bear with me. I'm gonna buy me a small 6S battery so I can run it on 6S as well. So stay tuned for that. Gonna give me another body because this one's pretty banged up and I don't like banged up bodies. So I will be getting me another body for this bad boy as well. But enough rambling on that. Let's talk about this. So here is the giveaway. Check it out. Brand new. Haven't been open. Here's a seal. Let me go ahead and pop that seal, let you guys know it's real. Give me 1 second. All right, folks, here it is. Brand new in the box. This is as much as I'm going to reveal it. I ain't taking nothing up out of here because I want the winner to have the privilege of pulling that plastic off. I know that feeling. So with that being said, guys, this is how you win. Pay attention. First and foremost, be a sub, a follower, a supporter of me here on YouTube. Shout out to everyone that's doing that already. Much respect. I appreciate the love. Secondly, like the video. Thirdly, leave a comment saying Valkyrie for me. Valkyrie for me. Now you can do FOR or you can do the number 4 or FO or FOE. But Valkyrie for me is the comment that you need to leave. Valkyrie for me in the comment section. And then you got to follow me on IG at Mr.Mitos_RC. Like the comment, like the video. Be subscribed here, which you probably already are, so shout out to you. Like it, leave a comment, Valkyrie for me, and follow me on IG. Simple as that. Then you can have one of these bad boys shipped to your door for free. You know, shout out to the last winner who won the Typhon that I shipped it out to him. And I'm pretty sure he's ripping it up right now. But here's a second one. And they're just going to get bigger and bigger. You feel me? The more support I get, the more love I get, the more giveaways I give away. You feel me? So this your boy, Mr. Mitos. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until the next video, just peace and blessings. Peace and blessings. Go.